There's a lot of hair in her mouth. Ew. Okay, go get her.
There's a lion coming to get me! Run away! Run away!
Get her, Baxter. Moving awfully slow, lion.
Hear him. It's walking at you right now!
Hey, look! Lion food! I got lion food right here! Lion food!